I learned that you attended the Library Automation Masterclass.
Yes, I did.
How did you know about it?
Actually, it was on our library group page. There's an AXU library staff WhatsApp page. So I saw it posted by one of my colleagues, Ms. Dante. So I chatted him up and I asked him what it was all about. So he explained to me what he knew. He said it's all about automation, that it's going to be a class where we'll be taught about the rudiment of everything that has to do with library automation. And I had a keen interest about it because as long as automation, hands-on on library automation is concerned, I was at the bottom line. So immediately I heard about the class where we could be taught what to do and what it's all about, and then the softwares that could be used for library automation. So I was interested, and so I clicked the link immediately, and I got to the page, and I was so fortunate because I saw the advert about the early bird. So I stole in immediately, and I registered as an early bird, and immediately I was added to the group, and I was told it was going to be an online program, so I was full of expectation, and I liked it because it was going to be online. I wasn't going to pay transport, I wasn't going to leave my family, I wasn't going to do any other thing. I would be at the comfort of my house, maybe doing anything, enjoying the weather and everything, and then still attend the class. So that aroused my interest and my desire to learn about library automation.
What was your experience and what have you learned so far?
Experience. The class was even bigger than my expectation.
Wow.
I'm telling you, automation, library automation is great. It's something that I would want to know since that was my first time. So I was quiet, learning. We had 2 hours, the minimum of 2 hours, 45 minutes each day for the class. Friday, Saturday, and on Sunday. Then we had the resource persons, we have the digital librarian, Mr. Sylvester. We have Mr. Christian. Kime was also there. Kime, you are here. Kime, please come. Because we should do this video together.
Wow.
No, Kime is here. She was there. Kime was there.
So it was a thrilling one.
Wow.
Yes, we enjoyed it.
Yes. We enjoyed it. Stand here because I'm going to post this video too. Okay. So Mr. Christian was there teaching us about the library automation. We had Mr. Jeremiah who took us on Koha, explained the importance of Koha, why we need Koha, many benefits of Koha, and then how librarianship or library work could be made very easy by the use of Koha. We can use Koha to carry out every library activity, from circulation to cataloging to acquisition, everything. Even assessing your staff performance, assessing even your performance as a person. It was a very interesting time, and I actually learned a lot. I was a novice, just learning, so I was following. So we had the demo part of the demo app of Active Share, which we were given the first day, and at some point I got stopped. I couldn't even proceed. I got stopped, but with the help of Mr. Christian, I had to chat him one-on-one. It took me over 4 hours in the night to be able to register myself as a patron. As a patron there, over 4 hours.